Hello guys, this is Kuya Mike TV. Welcome po sa aking channel. Sagutan naman natin tong number 208 EPS topic sample exam. Yan guys, samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Sabi ni Ga, sijange kaso musul sa soyo. In English, what did you buy at the market? Yan. Sabi naman nina ay amugutu sajiangu mane soyo. Yan. In English ay I did not buy anything. I just went blank. Yan. Pili na tayo ng sagot. Si number 1 ay si Mulgun. Mulgun in English ay ting. Si number 2 naman